Hello, good day everyone. We have a job to do. Yeah, this is compaq laptop, and the customer that brought this laptop to the office said whenever you plug the charger into the laptop, the charge indicator light blinks, continue to blinks, and the laptop refused to on. So I said, okay. When he brought it to the office, he just showed me. I said, okay. I discovered that the laptop is short. Maybe a die MOSFET or a die capacitor, maybe diode. So let's just see. Along the line, I will show you what I'm saying. But since the customer needed the laptop urgently, that is why I could not just show you. But let's lose the laptop. I will show you along the line as we are going. Before we start the work, I'll show you. So you just have to follow the process. Follow the process. Just try my possible best to make sure that this video is a short one, short as possible. Try my possible best to make sure that this video is a quick one, quick as possible. That is why I did not show you the short aspect. I would have plugged charger to it so that you see it by yourself. But along the line, when troubleshooting, you'll also see what I'm saying, because we always plug charger to it so that when I plug charger to it so that you see. You just have to follow the process. You just have to follow the process. Follow the process. When losing laptop, always be careful. Remember to remove your battery, but in this case, there is no battery. The customer did not. When the customer brought in this laptop, there is no battery inside, so the customer did not bring battery along with this laptop. This is an old compaq laptop, V6000, V6, yes, 6000. It's a rugged laptop, old compaq laptop. No, so just take out the RAM cover. Let's take the HDD cover out. Take the HDD cover out now. Wow, this thing is very strong. It's very strong. Pull it. This thing's well, okay. I'm going to pull it. Always be careful. Careful so that like this connector here, just have to be careful to pull out so that this thing just turn on. You have to pull this connector to make sure it pulls out. Okay, the hard drive is out now. Let's proceed. Checking whether there is any screw remaining, because I just want to finish this laptop as soon as possible to make sure this job is I throw with this job less than perhaps within a short time. Can't just really give the time, because what do you think is the problem of this laptop? I don't know, you don't know, so let's see. Taking off the switch clip. This laptop, they are using it in one clubhouse, you know. It's a nice one. Always remember to subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notification whenever you subscribe, so that whenever we upload another new video, you can follow up. You can be notified that I upload new video. always remember to turn on your notification whenever you subscribe, like our video, drop your comments. I will always happy to reply your comments. So taking off the switch panel, the switch bed off. Always remember to be careful whenever working on laptop. Always remember. In this case, what do you think might be the problem? A short board. Whenever you plug your charger, if your charger have an indicator light and your charger indicator light went off, as in start blinking, know that that system is short circuited. Yes. So in that case, what comes into your mind? Just know that one of the components there is consuming a lot of current. Yeah, it's consuming a lot of current. That is why the system cannot turn on, and the system, the charger will be blinking up and down, up and down, because one of the component there is bad and it's consuming a lot of current. It's consuming a lot of current. That is why. So in this case, I don't really know the component that is bad, that is faulty. We just have to trace it by ourselves to see. But in most cases, the component that is faulty will just present itself to you. How do you know? How do you know? In some cases, taking off the switch. In some cases, you see a weird uh, caps capacitor or um, a diode or MOSFET. Most of these components, out of 70% is capacitor. That is always bad. Once capacitor short, it shut down the whole system, consume a lot of current. So let's just take off the other side, which is the top of this laptop, so that we can get access to the motherboard. Always be careful when working on it. Follow the procedure, follow the process, looking whether there is any other screws remaining. Always be careful when working on a laptop. When you follow the process, you as a beginner, then the job will be as possible, will be as easy. Though this laptop has not been loose before, so the whole clip is, the whole thing is tight, very hard. So I'm looking, perhaps there's a screw somewhere that I'm not seeing. There's a screw somewhere I'm not seeing. That's why it's stressing me up here. Okay, it's out, and this laptop is dusty. There's a lot of dust inside. Okay, got you. Now we gain access to the board, so let's just take off the board the motherboard from the case. Yeah, you just take it out, you know. This out. Let's take the motherboard out. Then this is the charger port connector. I just pull it out, and also take this out. This is the light, the indicator light, charger port, and this is motherboard. Okay, let me get this charging port so I can connect it to the motherboard. Let me show you what I saw from the beginning when the man brought this laptop to us. So I just want to make this video brief. That is why I could not show you guys from the beginning. Okay, look at the charger. Nice. You see? This short. Let's take this processor fan out. Okay. As you can see, it's short. Over the processor is dried. So let's trace. Let's know the bad stuff. Let's see the weird one. Okay, yeah. You can see this MOSFET here. It's consuming a lot of current. If you can give a good look at it, I just pour down liquid on it, alcohol on it, and you can see it's kind of burning. So let's take it out. First of all, when I take it out, and we just try to bridge it, but when it fail, if the bridging did not work, then I have to change the MOSFET. Then our work, I think our laptop will come up. That is it. This is short MOSFET. This MOSFET is the problem of this laptop. So whenever you see a case like this, what you need to do, wow, the MOSFET is out, as you can see. And when you plug it, if the light of the charger is stable, that means that MOSFET is the cause. And now you can see there is the charge indicator light is stable, and the one of this charger is stable. That means that MOSFET that we just removed is the fault of this laptop, and the MOSFET is out. Let's try a couple and see. I just paste it like I told you the other time that the processor is dried. Let's put back the processor fan. Let's try to see whether this laptop will come up. You know, screwing back the processor fan. Although what I want to try now is under probability is 50-50, because I know that MOSFET is a what am I going to put it to you guys? It's one of the voltage, converting. Perhaps is a MOSFET of 3.3 volts, or yeah, I think so. I did not check further because of the nature of this job, because the owner really need it urgently. Okay, now you can see this switch, but the thing refused to come up, and it went back. You can see the charging indicator light is on. Look at the charging indicator light. There is power inside. You can see the adapter. It's no longer consuming current, because that MOSFET is the bad one, is the bad guy, and the bad guy has been removed. But now, what can we do? So let's bridge it to see whether it works. But I don't know whether it will work. Do you know? Well, I guess not. Let's bridge it and see whether it works. Can't see, so I have to apply additional light for me to see clearly. Okay, where is my meter? Let me see. I want to check for continuity. Okay. Okay. No. To see whether there is continuity, because that place is kind of, tight. Okay. There is. So let's try and see if it's short. Then we'll have to look for MOSFET and replace it. You can see. Now I've bridged it. As you can see, I've bridged it. So out is short. So I'm replacing it with MOSFET. Just try to make this video brief as possible, because as you can see now, and I just put new MOSFET, and the laptop is on. You see the light is stable. So that is how you can fix a dead laptop. How you can bring a dead laptop back on the working condition. All you have to do is just to follow the process. Follow the process. This is a MOSFET. This is a bad guy. This is the one consuming all the current in the motherboard. Now this laptop is back again in a working condition. It's back again in a working condition. So in this kind of challenges, whenever you want to troubleshoot this kind of challenges, when you plug, always try, most time we have a short-circuited challenge. When somebody bring laptop to you for repair, always try to make use of your own charger and try possible best to have a charger that has indicator light that can tell you whether the laptop is short or not. Though I can use my multimeter for that, but you as a beginner, I advise you to use a a charger that has an indicator LED. When you plug it to the system, if it's short, the charger will consume current. It will be blinking lights. Just know that that laptop is short. So you have to go and look for the bad guy inside the laptop, which is the bad component. That is what I'm saying. That is what I'm calling bad guy. You have to look for it inside the laptop, take it out, and also replace it, perhaps if it is possible. But if it is capacitor that is in anyway, in other class we're going to talk about that in details. In there are capacitors that you don't even need to replace because they are not alone there. When one of those capacitors is short, you just take it out and the system will come up. So that's how it is. Always remember to subscribe to our video, turn up your notifications so that whenever I upload a new video you can be notified, and watch, like our video, drop your comment and share our video. And this laptop is back on a working state. It's a bad MOSFET. It's a dead MOSFET. So all we have to do is to follow the process. I'm coupling this laptop back again. So that is that. And it's getting dark. Over here it's getting dark. But I just have to complete this job for this person because, like I told you guys, that this laptop they are using it in one of the club, and this laptop must go back to work today. So that is why, and the guy is here with me. That is why I'm trying my possible best to make sure I complete this laptop on time. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Keep sharing my video. Keep sharing my video. Like my video. Drop your comments. I will be happy to reply. Thank you very much for watching. Um, Fixing back this screen. All you have to do is just to follow the process. That's all. If you are a beginner, start from my video from the very first one. Follow up with all what I've already posted on this shining. You will understand. You can message me when if you don't understand anything. I will be glad to reply to you. And this is the hard drive. Putting back the hard drive. The hard drive cover. All you have to do is to follow the process. Follow the process. It is very necessary you follow the process, because when you follow the process, fixing a laptop uh, is a stuff that you will be enjoy when doing it, because you understand all the procedures, you understand the process on which how you can go on it. Yes, that is it. So let us power and check our job. Check what we're doing. As you can see, the laptop is on. It's back for work. So yeah, you can see the indicator lights. The charger is no longer blinking. That means to say there is no bad guy inside the laptop consuming current. Yeah, so turn it off. This is network cable. There is the Wi-Fi cable. Let's connect it back. Connect it back. All you have to do is to follow the process. In this shining, we teach so many things by the grace of God. We teach so many things. We teach network. We teach printer. We teach so many things. So, as far you are following us, you have to learn many things from us, because depends on we depends on job they bring to us in the office. So we try our possible best to do video from some of them. Connected the keyboard. Always make sure you put in the keyboard into the keyboard socket. Always make sure you put it very well. Then after which you clip it. After which you clip it. You have to open it, open the socket or the connector. You put in the keyboard flex into it, the rainbow into it. Then you have to close the socket or close the connector, whatsoever you can call it is correct. So the keyboard is on. Let's fix the switch connector and the switch panel indicator lights. Like I told you, it's already dark here, but you just have to complete this job for this month so that this laptop can go back to work. Yeah. So always be careful when working on a laptop like this. Yeah, always be careful. Focus is really need. You really need it. In doing this kind of job, all you need is focus. So quick. Uh, always remember to subscribe to our channel, like our video, share our video. Always remember, very important, always remember to turn on your notification. This is a network cable. I'm connecting it back to the network card so that there can be wireless network inside this laptop. There's the other RAM, putting it back, covering the RAM slots. Yeah, this laptop is back again. So what are we going to do? Let's put in the charger, and the laptop is on. The laptop is back on a working condition. Always remember to subscribe to our channel. As you can see, everything is on. It's working fine. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like our video. See you in other time of our video time.